Alright, hi, my name is Raymond Sullivan. I studied welding technologies all through my TCAT career. I now work at SkillsUSA. It's a Japanese plant that builds compressor units, AC compressor units on an industrial scale. So, grocery store freezers, packing houses, butchery houses, anything that's on an industrial scale that stays cold, I build it, and that's pretty much what I do. Now I'm a professional pipe welder with that company, doing everything from 2-inch schedule 160s to 12 and 14-inch rollouts and different valve bodies and things like that. And while in TCAT, through all my studies, I competed in the SkillsUSA. Obviously, I was decent at it. You wouldn't be hearing from me. So my junior year, I went on a team with me and two other guys that were seniors at the time. We managed to bring home gold for our state. We did it on a national level in Louisville, Kentucky. Turned around, went back my senior year in a single man event. So I went by myself, me and Mr. David Porter, who I owe a great deal of gratitude to for all of my education and a lot of what I know. Here in Mr. Clyde Mansfield, I don't know if Clyde was still teaching or not. I hadn't talked to either one of those guys, but that's my fault. Anyway, so competed 2 years in a row, got on gold 2 years in a row. I was going back for a third year, but just didn't have the time and resources to do so, per se. But with saying all that now, SkillsUSA is a great thing. I mean, I understand our teachers and things push it, but it truly is an opportunity that is to be seized if we're going to go far with this. That's the main reason I got on with the company that I did in Lebanon, Tennessee, is due to the fact of going into these competitions and things. You really prove your worth when you're willing to put forth an extra effort to step up and do something that a lot of people don't really do. I know that when I competed both my junior and senior year, there were a few more obviously my junior year doing team events, but there was just a handful of welders that were even in the state competition. And obviously when you go to the national level, there's typically 50 different welders. But now, even in our state, there wasn't that many, but there was some great competition there. I'm going to say that for sure. Furthermore, when you do win, or even just being able to go, opens up scholarship opportunities to go on to better schools, and just all kinds of different opportunities, jobs, companies throughout the state and out of state even, because I had over $15,000 in different scholarships. 3 different scholarships in state, 2, 3, I think it was 4 out of state, and the number one being the Florida Welding Institute gave me $10,000 scholarship that day that I won if I just signed on with them to go. And I had $10,000 to make right there. So it's definitely an opportunity that needs to be seized if you're wanting to go far with anything that you're doing. And like I said, I was just a welder, and I know there's many different events that you can compete in, and you just got to remember, if you're going to do it, hit it hard, you run with it, and it will pay out. But like I said before, I'd like to thank Mr. David Porter and Mr. Clyde Mansfield both for really helping me out through a lot of different things throughout the process. But yeah, it's an opportunity to be seized if you wouldn't take it.